Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will make sagu, vegetable sagu. Some of you have asked me for this recipe. Vegetable sagu I have earlier tasted on my visits to Bangalore. It is served as a side dish for puri, chapathi, even Rava idli. It's a very tasty and simple dish. So for that what you need are 4 or 5 different types of vegetables. That is, I have taken here cauliflower, carrot, beans, potato, green peas, and then some onions and some coriander leaves and curry leaves. Apart from that, for the masala, you need some roasted gram, ginger and green chillies, grated coconut, and these are cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon, salt and turmeric powder, and of course seasoning with mustard seeds and a few cashew nuts and cumin seeds. So let us start making. First of all, I have taken 2 tablespoons oil in a pan, and here some onions I am going to saute, chopped onions. Just 1 or 2 onions you can take. Onions are sauteed. Now I am adding some peeled and chopped potatoes, some peas, washed and chopped cauliflower, carrots and beans. These are generally the vegetables taken. Out of these, whichever you have available, or if you want to use capsicum instead of cauliflower, you can use. We need 3 or 4 different types of vegetables. To this, let us add some salt to taste and some water for the vegetables to cook. Let's cover it and allow the vegetables to cook. Meanwhile, we can make the masala paste. For this, in a blender jar, take a few pieces of cinnamon, 2 or 3 cloves, 4 small cardamoms. Depending on your spice level, 2 or 3 green chillies you can take, a small piece of ginger, some grated coconut, 1 cup of grated coconut, roasted gram, and grind all these together to a fine paste with the addition of coriander leaves. The sagu has got a greenish color to it, so add coriander leaves also and then grind it together. Now we have ground all the ingredients together to a fine paste with the addition of a little water. Let us just wait till the vegetables are done. Now let's see if the vegetables are done. The vegetables are cooked. Just add a very small pinch of turmeric to it, turmeric powder, and then add in the ground masala paste. Mix everything together, that is the masala and the vegetables, and allow it to come to a boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. See, now this has boiled very well and the raw smell also has gone. We can remove this and then get ready for the seasoning. For the seasoning, just heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, another teaspoon of Urad Dal, half a teaspoon of Jeera, and also some bits of cashew nut. saute them all together till the dals and the nuts become well fried and brown color. Now we can add a few curry leaves to it and pour the seasoning on top of the ready sagu. So your healthy, tasty vegetable sagu is ready. You can use it as a side dish with chapathis, parathas, puris, Rava idli and enjoy the wholesome taste. So do share your experience with me on Geeta's Kitchen and please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy tasty recipes. Thank you.